Let me introduce you to the connector. The connector is an inner relationship creator and they illuminate faith and optimism. The connector's faith that money will always be available keeps them mostly free of financial stress. The connector has an innocent quality to them that, on the positive side, allows them to live their life worry free of money concerns. The downside to this innocent bliss is they can easily be taken advantage of and are often in situations where they blindly trust the handling of financial details to others or find themselves in situations where they rely on someone else to support them. For the connector, money is simply something they don't think too much about or care to think about too often. Inside, they can harbor feelings of inadequacy or disempowerment. The connector's ultimate empowerment with money will come easiest when they're focused on transforming their personal relationships into financial flow. This is why connectors can excel at creating relationships or partnerships that bring new opportunities, business, and clients to them. The connector's challenge is to stay focused on being appropriately compensated, plus get more hands-on involved with the financial details of their life. By doing so, they can create wealth and prosperity along with a healthy sense of self-respect and self-worth.